Part 3 is finally here. Watch me turn this powerful DIY black soap shampoo into a perfect hair growth treatment. Hi guys, welcome. In this step, I'm straining the shampoo through a cheese bag to remove any extra particles and make it smooth. Then, after straining it, like as you can see, I'm pushing out everything that has to do with the shampoo. Okay, pressing it out. That is why you're seeing this foamy consistency, just like the way you're seeing it in the screen. So if yours is like this, you are on a right track. So after this, I keep on squeezing and squeezing, making sure that I removed everything because we need everything. It's going to help our hair a lot. So after that, I am going to transfer it into another bowl because I'm going to cut it into two. Why am I cutting into two? One, I'm going to be adding in the aloe vera I used before. Okay, when you see the other video where I extracted my aloe vera, which is already on the page. Then this time around, I'm adding in my MSM powder. This for even more hair loving benefits before pouring everything into my storage container. Okay, so I have added everything I need to add into this shampoo. Then for the best part is to pour it into my storage container. Okay, I'm using this on my hair to wash my hair the African way. All right, so after I store this into a container, we are going to be going into washing my hair doing the African way. The African way I mean is like bending my hair, okay, which I'll show you guys as we go. So I'm losing my hair right now. I have not washed my hair for since I made a new braid. So I've not washed it, and this is what it looks like. Just a 2 weeks not washing the braids. Yeah. So this is African way I mean by turning in my head just this way to wash it. So I'm just going to put water on my hair and add in the shampoo. This shampoo is packed with natural ingredients that helps cleanse the scalp and support healthy hair growth. So this shampoo is super good. Okay, please try this out. Your hair is going to love it. So I left my hair for 2 weeks without washing it just to have that build up, and after I used the shampoo, I washed my hair 2 times with the shampoo. I noticed that the build up disappeared. Okay, so try this shampoo out. You will see amazing results. So this is the second time I'm using the shampoo again on my hair, and after this, the next clip you will see is when my hair is super clean. So love, let me know in the comment, would you try this black DIY black soap shampoo? Let me know in the comment, and don't forget to follow for more results on your 4C natural hair. So this is what my hair looks like, and I'll catch you all in my next one. Bye.